This is a walkthrough for my Street Choirs 2025 demo program. It's only got 10 choir names on there, but it can be scaled up to as many choirs as we want. This is my home page. You can see that I've got today's date on here. I've got the choirs involved, 10 choirs involved here. They've been given some busking slots already, so Calder Valley Voices have got 2 busking slots at the moment. Down here I've got a search facility, so if I wanted to check which busking place has got availability, I've got Tracy Avenue has got 4 slots available. This area is a setup and hyperlink, so I'll click on setup. It will take me to this page here, and I've got things that I use data. This is my data sheet that I collect information for the program to work. So how many, the venues, the postcodes, and that sort of thing. Click on this home, and I go back to the home page. I've got number of choirs 10, number of busking points 10, number of timed busking slots is 4. So I've got mine at 120 to 140, 140 to 2, 2 to 220, and 3 to 320. And over here I've got 3 hyperlinks. One is to registration, so this is the names of the choirs, contact names, and the emails. And then I've got a data sheet. That's my data sheet as I showed before. Go back, and the last one is the raw data, and the raw data is where you decide where the choir is going to be. So each choir has got a number. So Whitby Community Choir has got the number 1, so you can see that number 1 has been selected. Number 1 is here, and that's the first busking point at 120 in the high street. So that could be changed if we wanted to. We could change that to 3, and we can't change it to 3. The reason we can't change it to 3 is that I've already got 3 down on France Road. So this whole column here only takes odd numbers. That's because these 2 slots are very close together, and you can't get from one place to the other place in that time. So this is all the odd numbers are here and all the even numbers are here. We can change them obviously, but that's the way it's worked out at the moment. So Whitby Community Choir, I've searched here, she's got 2 slots. Let's try another one. Let's have Darlington Sing, and Darlington Sing is number 2, so there are 2 slots there. This is a busking slot photograph, so it's movable. You can't do anything on it, but this table is somewhere else in the program. This just gives you a High Street Whitby Community Choir Darlington Sing. So it's the same as this table 1, but it shows you who is actually there instead of a number. We've got individual schedule, so we can change the choir name. That's the only thing we need to do on this one. You can change the choir name to Darlington Sing, and it will show you the busking spots they've got, the times, map reference, postcodes. So we can change that. That's all automatic on there. The busking schedule is all automatic, so you don't need to touch any of this. This will do automatically updates, and the busking routes will automatically update as well. This is the availability. So High Streets, there's no availability at 120 to 140 at the High Street. That's all taken. The red's taken, the greens are not taken, and these are the slots we've got available. That's my data sheets. This is my history sheet, so Whitby and Kendal, how many people how many busking points there were, how many people went to the concert. This is the Saturday night setup, so we can change these. At the moment it's set for 5 o'clock sing time, and it's set for 5 minutes after the exit auditorium for the warm-up, 20 minutes after the exit auditorium for side stage, 7 minutes after stage is here, but all those numbers can be changed. The breaks set for 6:40 and 8:40 for 20 minutes each time, and that brings us to this page here, which is the Saturday Night Choir concert schedule. Can't spell schedule. Let's change that. Schedule. That's better. So this drop down is quite unique because at the moment it's showing that there's 32 choirs left to put on. If we put another choir here, let's put on the next one, which is Cairn Chorus. That Cairn Chorus goes from the choirs left, and you won't be able to find Cairns Chorus on this drop down list. It gets rid of the Cairns Chorus, so you've only got what's available left. This is the order that they previously went on in 2022, 2023. So Chorister was at number 1 slot in 2022. In 2023 it was number 18. And red means that there's no data available for that. And that's it. That's my my Street Choirs demo program. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.